Okay. Back again with the evolution, but this time with dogs. Look at this little doggy. Everybody, a puppy. Boop and Barky. Okay, we got Barky now. He looks like a normal one. Whoa! Diamond! Okay. That and that. And then Barky and Barky makes Sparky. Okay then. Tap me. What? No. I don't want to watch an ad. I'm making a dang video. Okay. Okay, this is good. This is good. You know, that Sparky reminds me of the Pugs. This really reminds me of the Pugs. Yeah. It's almost like it's just a copy of the Pugs. Yeah, I think it's... Well... Actually... Okay, maybe it's not a copy of the Pug evolution. I don't know. But either way, it's like the same background and everything, so... Merge more dogs to unlock new areas. But I want to go to that one. Fine. Close. Oh, cool. Yeah. Okay. Yay! 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 So many cool dogs. Oh, yeah. The heck? Awesome. Okay then. Oh my god. More clothes? I guess? $1 billion. Where are the glasses? No. There's no. Boom, boom, boom. Collect the 2,000. Oh my god. Yeah. Boom. What is this thing? Why does it exist? Ah, the tapping. It hurts. Yeah. Dance, little doggy, dance. Dance, little doggy, dance, little doggy. Dance, little doggy. Dance, little doggy. Doggy, now it's a monkey. Yeah. What now? Get that out of there. Y'all didn't have to see that. Dang it. Open the box. God dang it. It's just advertisements. Nah. Yeah! Everything's so awesome! More evolutions, more dogs! Yeah! Da 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 da. I hope for Christmas I can get a capture card for the Xbox 360 or the Xbox One so I can film my Xbox 360 and Xbox One games. And you can see how I play those. Well, this has been Doggy Evolution. Or whatever. Yep. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to do another one of these probably because I'm very bored and out of ideas. Bye!